Hello, my name's Innocent and I'm here with my brother.
I'm Wisdom.
And came here with my dad for the seminar for recruitment. Then he picked Joe Davis, who was taking the seminar, and he picked that interest. So we signed up, and now we're here for the second follow-up session for the recruitment process. And Joe Davis has been really helpful and very informative, and he's provided all the help and support we all needed. And he's also trained us. He's shown the example. He's made calls to high profile companies. He got a request for a CV straight away, and he's been able to do this. He's shown this to us to just show us how easy it is for us to do it as well. And he's given us the confidence, the tools all we need, and he's provided us more than we could ask for.
It was interesting. It piqued my interest because I would like to run my own business as well. So it gives me an insight on how to run a business. And thinking back on the trainings, it was very informative. It gives us what we need to do. It outlines the steps and what we shouldn't do to prevent the business from failing, and it also gives us everything we need to do. It gives us the website, helps us design the website. We just need to provide them with the names, and which is very helpful because creating a website is really hard.
I'm a second-year student in Hertfordshire, and I recommend any young person out there to find Joe Davis and start up your recruitment business. I've not recommend just start up any business and be persistent, be strong. Go through ups and downs. Just be strong and make sure you're motivated and you stay motivated, and the money will come your way.
A first-year student in Hertfordshire as well. I would recommend it to my peers and any other you out there because it really helps you. Because when you finish university, you don't actually most of the time you don't get a job you hope to, and this is a really good place for you to do something for you to do on the forehand in the long term, because once you do it properly, you'll be able to get more than most people get on average in a month, which is also helpful, which gives you financial freedom as well. So which is why I would recommend it to anyone.